Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a timer in Visual Basic. So, first you're going to want to go to Visual Studio or Visual Basic Express 2013 for desktop. Let's go to that, Visual Studio. Alright, and then timer. So here's what it's going to look like. Oops. Okay. So here's what it's going to look like. Alright? Alrighty, so let's go make it. And new project. File. Close solution. New project. So, what you want to do is create a new project by, if you have a solution open, File, and then click on that Close Solution. Don't click on Close because that'll close Visual Studio. But you go into File, okay, and then you go to New File, or you can click that button right there. Okay. No, it's not a word. New File. Where's New File? Oh, New Project. So right here. Click that. Okay, click Windows Forms Application and name it Timer. Oh, I already have one. Alright, now you're going to want to make it about X amount size big. Alrighty. And to get a little decoration in there, click this back color right here. You want to click this, and where you see back color and appearance, click that. Go right here, click custom, and do that black. You can do it whatever color you want. But so go into toolbox. Okay. Get one button. Okay. Drag it right here. Okay. Now you're going to want a timer. Timer and text box. Okay, so you're going to want to put your text box up here. Put a 1 in that. And then make it the back color black. Whatever color you want, it's alright. Oh, and yes, for forecolor, for the text color, go into Window Text and click Custom, and you can put it whatever color. I just like the color red. Then come into this font thing, font property, click that button right there, and you can put it whatever you want, but I like a bold or bold WQ. I'll do bold, and then put it at 14. Alright, you want this button out right there. And you're going to want it that big and that wide. Alright, and you want its background color red. Okay, and then the forecolor for the text will be blue. Alrighty, now copy and paste that. Okay, just make them a little smaller. Alright. Now, for this project, close this a little bit. Okay, and name this right here Start Timer. Okay. End timer. Okay, now again, go up to the font, and I'll make this one 18. I like these to be bold oblique. Alright, now in this timer right here, you want this interval where it says right here is 100. That's saying it's only 100 100ths of a second. So you type 1000 because then it's going every 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second, it will make this timer go up. So make that 1000. Another thing for interval is timer. So another name for that is timer. So now that when you come into timer, double click timer and say timer 1 dot start. Okay. End timer, timer 1 dot stop. Really bad habit to do that, the space thing or enter thing. And then right here where it says timer, come right here and say text box 1 dot text equals text box 1 dot text plus 1. So what it's doing is saying every time the interval of the timer beats 1000 1000ths of a second, then it will start the timer in this text box, and then it will stop the timer when you click that button. So you should say stop right here. Sorry for my French. Alright, there we go. Now let's do this. Let's test it. Okay, start. And there you go. You got a working timer. So then when you click stop timer, it stops, and then you can come in here, do whatever you want, start timer, and it will go on from there. It's pretty cool, huh? Well, thank you for watching the video, and subscribe, and people won't believe you if you don't name this here. So click that background, go into text and say timer 1 or timer. Whatever you want. There you go. It is a beauty. Oops. Says it not to do that. Oh, it's a beauty. I love it. Alright, see you guys later.